Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of paper clip, those little metal wonders that are often overlooked. Get ready for some creative and handy hacks that will change the way you see paper clips forever. Let's jump in. First up, did you know you can use a paper clip as a simple compass? Next, let's get crafty. Paper clips can make adorable bookmarks. Just add some colorful washi tape or beads, and you've got yourself a cute little page marker for your books. Happy reading! Ever had a zipper that just won't stay closed? Grab a paper clip. Clip it onto the zipper pull, and it'll keep everything secure. No more accidental wardrobe malfunctions. Tired of tangled cables? Open up a paper clip and reshape it into a nifty cable organizer. Just clip your cables together, and you'll never have to deal with the mess again. Check this out. You can transform paper clips into mini hangers for your jewelry or tiny outfits, perfect for keeping your accessories organized in style. Time for some science fun. Cut a bendy straw and connect it with a paper clip. Add some clips to make it float. Fill a bottle with water and squeeze tight. Watch your very own Olympic divers in action. Want to wear something unique? Make a paper clip necklace or bracelet. It might not be from a jewelry store, but it's one of a kind and super cool. Need to open your phone's SIM card slot? A paper clip is all you need. Just insert it into the tiny hole, and you're good to go. So handy. Ladies in a pinch and need a hair clip. A paper clip can save the day. It's not the most stylish option, but it'll keep your hair out of your face. Lost your zipper pull? No worries. A paper clip can serve as a quick zipper substitute, making it easier to zip up. Of course, paper clips are perfect for holding papers together, but why not add a splash of color with some decorative clips? Need to open an envelope? Just unbend a paper clip and slide it under the flap. No messy rips here. If you're careful, an unbent paper clip can be used to clean under your nails. Just make sure to be gentle. Going on holiday? Use a paper clip to keep your money secure. Just slide it over your notes, and you're all set. Fastening a bracelet can be tricky, but with a paper clip, you can create a DIY clasp. No more struggling to get it on. Wrapping gifts? Use paper clips to secure your wrapping paper rolls. It keeps everything neat and tidy. Got cherries? Bend a paper clip to scoop out the pits easily. Perfect for your summer fruit salads. Decorating for the holidays? Use paper clips to hang baubles on your tree. Just hook one end through the bauble and the other on the branch. Easy peasy. Run out of keychains? Use a paper clip as a DIY key ring. Just hook one end through your key, and you're ready to go. Finally, get creative. Use paper clips to hang up photos or make cute montages. They can add a fun touch to your space. And there you have it. 20 amazing paper clip hacks you didn't know about. Next time you see a paper clip, remember all the creative possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite hacks in the comments below. See you next time.